Welcome back to the channel. It's a beautiful Father's Day weekend. Happy Father's Day, Dad.
Thank you, son.
We have decided to do Rabbit Lake, and we brought Bruce with us this time.
Hey, Bruce.
The old man.
Bruce. There he is.
He is 11 years old and 3 months. We're taking inspiration from the outdoor boys, and we're going to try to make some bread. We're going to try to attempt to fish a little bit here. Yeah, no, it's beautiful. I can't wait.
All right, let's go.
Yeah.
It's my Father's Day weekend. Come on, old man. Let's go. There he goes.
Happy Father's Day to my 97-year-old grandmother.
Real nice. I'm done with you right now.
And my decrepit old dog.
I'm hiking without you. Bye. Oh, we got some snow on the trail. Oh, yeah. Come on, Brucey. Come on, big boy. You know, the old man's doing pretty well, and I'm not talking about myself. I'm talking about the other old man, Bruce. I'm doing pretty well, but he's doing better than I thought he would. He's loving it. Oh, he's eating the snow, having a good old time. Give you a little snack, Brucey.
We've passed a couple people on the trail. Actually, a lot of people are out. But a lot of them are saying a rabbit is frozen. I guess we'll have to get out there to look to see if I'll be able to do any kind of fishing. It's pretty views, man. Pretty views. Brucey's enjoying himself. So happy I moved here. I love it out here.
Time for Cliff Bar. Hungry. Oh, here you go. There's a. Hey, little buddy. Brucey didn't see you yet. We're almost there. 4 miles in. I think we got a half a mile to the lake. Excited. She's frozen solid. We made it. There's the north and south Yank-Che. Used to be Suicide Peaks.
That's big.
Yeah.
Look at him.
Oh my gosh. Bruce is having so much fun out here. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad we took him. He's having the best time. Oh my goodness, look at this sweet boy coming. He's so sweet, I love him. I'm so proud of you, did so good for an old man, 2 old men on the trail.
Did?
Yeah. I told you be some people. You know what? All right, this is
Coming out of the ground, buddy.
see how long it takes him. Oh yeah, working, baby. Oh. Ow. Show us the kitchen.
I found this really nice flat rock.
I found that rock. That
My
was
dad found this really nice flat rock.
You've got your sous chef over here.
So I'm going to make the world famous yeast rolls. Okay, I'm the only person who knows about these yeast rolls, but one day they'll be world famous. So I got everything in the bag. I got there's my shortening, sugar, salt, and here's my yeast.
Nice. Go, buddy. Keep going. You're doing good. Oh, boy. Okay. We'll come back down. You did good, though, Brucey. We'll get you coming down. Our campsite's down there. Come on, Bruce. Yeah, there you go. Good boy. He will not want to go home. He's a big boy. Well, somebody got tired. We're so desperate to fish. We're trying to dig a hole. We got Luke over here. And then we got Brucey over here. I made him a nice little bed. Oh, that little big boy.
It was pretty warm in there.
I don't know if I can. Let's go in here and do this. Oh, here's the bread dough.
I really wanted to come out for the bread making.
Not bad, not bad. It smells really good. Are you?
Well, I dropped mine.
I hear it. There you go.
I'm so
Man.
Can you please stop? Oh, looks good. You're not rolling any dice, bro.
It's like I'm a factory.
Oh, God.
Oh, God.
God, freezing.
Oh, my God, good.
Give me a little bite of the butter on, I mean, the honeys. Good.
There's a little system working here. Why does this man do that? Oh, yeah.
It's chilly out there. Woo! I'm ready to go to bed.
Where's that light?
I'm ready to
put some more clothes on.
Lucy's right out here, right next to me. I got a little bed. He's warm. Luke is hot boxing me in this damn tent. I can't stand it. It's cold out there. All right. Well, it's been a fun day so far. Anyway, Brucey's doing great out there. He's asleep.
It must be pretty warm over there because he seems like he's like stretching out.
I don't know. We might work on the hole that we're digging in Rabbit Lake so we can
I just
fish.
want to fish, man.
We might do it. All right. You ready to go to sleep?
Mm-hmm.
All right. No more hot boxing. I want to wake up tomorrow. I don't want the tent to burn down. Good night. Say good night, Luke. Oh, it's 6 a.m. and it was very windy last night and cold. Boosie, like your bed? Hey, Boosie. That was fun. We're up early. All right, let's roll. Sunrise behind me.
We made it.
Brucey
Brucey is exhausted.
Oh,
good.
Brucey, you did so good. Proud of you, buddy.
See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.